What is going on, Facebook and YouTube land? I am broadcasting in multiple different locations where you could see exactly what I see. And right now, I see you and the need for this software that I'm getting ready to talk about here in just a moment. So I appreciate everyone that's showing up that's going to be watching. First off, I want to thank you very much for taking the time and looking at this. I appreciate it very much. And what I'd like to do is to talk a little bit about Vidnami Automated, this actual piece of software that I have created. Now, the software that I've created is an actual Chrome extension, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is here real quick. So I'm going to bring up this screen here, and I'm going to log into my Vidnami software, and I'm logged in now. And you're going to notice that this pop-up box, this panel, has been added to my actual Vidnami software. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete these two out real quick. Um, right up here at the very top, you're going to notice the Vidnami Automated Browser plugin, Chrome extension plugin. This is required to work with Vidnami. You must have an active subscription with Vidnami. This is not a replacement for Vidnami. This is a companion tool that works with Vidnami. So I hope everyone understands that portion. So I'm going to click on this particular icon, and you're going to notice that we have advanced options. Now, these options are inside of Vidnami itself. I've mirrored them so you can automatically fit the text to layout. That's default. You could do one scene per sentence, one scene per paragraph, one scene per phrase. So this is what your actual script is going to be shown, how it's actually going to be shown. And then, of course, you can bold your keywords for me. It does that automatically, or you could remove that check mark and it won't bold those. Now, Vidnami does automatically find your keywords and then bolds them. But if you don't want that option, you can always turn that off. You're going to say, hey, select video clips for me. What this means is not only is it going to be doing just still images, it's going to be doing video clips that it has access to as well. Select images for me, select layouts for me. In other words, it's all choosing or letting Vidnami create this actual video for you. Add motion to images, add scene transitions, animate the text, link to screens for me. You could do all of that. The other thing that a lot of people have asked for and we've included was the image use options. Now, this is the basic licenses. So what some people have asked for is, I just want to have public domain images. Therefore, I don't have to give attribution in my actual videos whenever I post them. So you can go ahead and just choose public domain. And then we have the audio control. How much music volume do you want to be accompanied the actual voiceover if you're going to be doing voiceovers? And then, of course, the voice speed. This is for the automated voices that Vidnami has available to you. Once you've picked those out, you're going to come down here and you're going to select your template. Now, these templates are in order as you will see them when you're creating your own video. I'm going to show you something here real quick. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the content videos here. You're going to notice this is viral green, and then viral green. They just added the vertical videos. So that's the standard, that's the square, that is the vertical one. So 1, 2, 3 for the vertical, standard width, and then of course the square. So that's how you could tell those in case you're wondering. They didn't label them, so we couldn't bring over, they have them all the exact same name. So you can select your template here. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and do viral yellow. And then I could select my voice if I wanted to add a voiceover to it. If I don't, check mark, do not add voiceover. The next thing is we're going to select the music. What music do we want to have playing along with it? So you could choose your mood, whether it's dark, epic, happy, inspiring, playful. So I'm going to go ahead and choose playful and then do the drop down and choose, let's go ahead and choose ambient. And then I'm just going to choose Etosha and then click select. and we can see that it's been selected here. The next thing that we can do is we're going to choose our actual file, our folder of documents, which is nothing more than a zip file. So I've created one called test docs, and I'm just going to search for that real quick. And let me pull it up here. There we go. And it looks like it is in the downloads folder. Test docs, zip, there we go. And then choose open, and that's added. Now this particular zip file has 20 text files in it. Now they're all the same. I'm going to open up one here real quick and bring it over so you can take a look at it. Now this particular article's got around 1,500 words to it. So that's going to be quite a bit of text in an actual video, and it will take Vidnami a little bit of time to create those videos. But once you have all your text files, put them into a zip file, and then choose your file, choose that zip file. And then for this one, we're not going to add a voiceover. Now, if I wanted to download the videos once they're created, I could check mark that or not. I can remove that. Totally up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and create them now. So I'm going to click on the create button, and I'm going to bring myself up here so you can actually see me sitting back, relaxing with my hands up, and you're going to notice that the automation is taking over, and I'm not doing a thing about it. So, and now it's going to be pasting in the script, which is my text file, choosing the settings, including what images to select, and now it's creating the scenes for me, where I am just sitting back. Matter of fact, I can go have dinner, have a conversation, get something to drink, anything, while Vidnami Automated is helping Vidnami create all of my videos on autopilot. So I'm sitting back and relaxing, and it's almost done creating the scenes. Next, it's going to go into the preview state, and in this case, most likely add music as soon as it's done with that. And here it goes here in just a moment. Should be coming up. And here comes number 2. That one's going to retry. Looks like Vidnami may have had an issue. Anytime we see that error screen, we try to do a retry. Vidnami does show those errors from time to time. So any questions? I noticed we got a few people watching. It looks like Vidnami's having a couple of issues with that particular template. So let me try again, but I'm going to choose a different template. And I'm going to just choose Vivid Orange. Not created those videos, I can go into them, but at this point in time, I'm wanting you to see the exact, it actually run through. So here's going to be pasting in the script. Pull up the actual scenes. Now, the thing about this piece of software, this actual Chrome extension, All it's doing is automating your clicks. Nothing more than that. It's not doing anything in the background. It's not doing anything nefarious to Vidnami or their servers or their services. It's actually just automating the actual workflow and the click flow in order to help speed up the creation process of your videos. And as we see right now, it says creating scene timing, and it's stuck at 0%. Every once in a while, I do see Vidnami get like this and get stuck, so I'm just waiting for it to increment up. If it's not, we may have to do another video at another time because they may be having some issues. Because that's actually Vidnami that we're waiting for to actually get this done. So there we go. It has incremented up. That's nice. Sometimes I'll see it stale, just sit there. Now it's choosing the actual music that I wanted, which was playful. And then, of course, it's going to choose the Atosha. Boom. Music level. And then it's finished. Now it's going to go to the next video. And then move on from there. This actual piece of software just works in bulk. If you want to fine tune your videos, I recommend that you don't choose download. But this is a beautiful piece of software. It helps automate the actual process of creating your videos. You can take PLR from people you buy PLR from, take the text content, put them all into text files, put them into a zip file, log into your Vidnami account, get access to the Vidnami automated Chrome extension, and then go ahead and start creating these videos out of PLR that you have purchased. So if you are someone who is an affiliate for PLR products, this is a beautiful tie-in, because what you can do is, if you get access to the content early from your actual from the vendor, you can grab the information, put them in here quickly and easily, and have your unique bonus done in just a matter of minutes, and you really not having to click a lot of buttons. So this is an actual tool that I know that you can utilize. I know that works. I have used this numerous times myself. I have tested this actual Chrome extension extensively, and I'm still going to have changes done to it. It has went from just basic to what you see now, which is pretty much every single option inside of Vidnami besides the layout and styles. Because if you're going to start going into the layouts and styles, create that as a custom template, because you can select those as well, and then go ahead and work with it from that point forward. So this is a beautiful piece of software. I know people can utilize it. I know people can use it. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to answer any and all questions that you have about it. But you can see just how easy this is to utilize. It is a great piece of software, and I know that you can get a lot out of it. So until then, if you need anything else, please do not hesitate to reach out, ask me any questions. You can go to the Chrome store and actually download and install it now. It only works on the Vidnami website, so keep that in mind. You have to be logged into Vidnami, so it only works on app.vidnami.com. So this is not in competition with Vidnami. You have to have a Vidnami account, so keep that in mind as well. So this is it. So I appreciate your guys' time. If you need anything, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great day.